Get over here. You guys ever jump over yourself with an RC truck? Well, here we are, guys. All the snow's melted. Nice overcast, gloomy day. Everything's all wet from the snow melt. Oh, yummy. Oh, this will be fun. It's dripping. Ooh. Oh, it's just a wet slipper, I think. Yep, that fluttering, you hear that? That's a wet slipper. So you don't want to keep hammering on it like that. Let's see if we can get it to dry out here. Just ease onto the throttle. Ease onto the brakes. Let that slipper clutch dry out. Alright, now let's try a hard launch. There we go. Slipper clutch is dry. That's all there is to it. If you got one of these x-maxxes with slipper clutch in it still, and it gets wet, you'll hear that fluttering real bad. Just do a couple, easy passes. You want to ease on up to pretty high throttle and then ease into the brakes. You do that a few times, that slipper's going to dry out. I don't know what it is, but that's been my experience. So I bet you if we go over this ramp again, we'll get that clutch wet. Let's see here. Yeah. Oh, don't feel wet to me. This thing's beast, man. Right in the water. Ooh. Yep, she's wet again. You hear it? You hear that fluttering? That's the slipper clutch is wet. So we'll quit jumping and quit landing in that water. That's what's messing us up. Let's get over here. You guys ever jump over yourself with an RC truck? The first time I did it, man, wow, I was scared. But now, I don't think it's such a big deal. And we broke it already. Shoot. What broke? Wow, that was a really hard hit straight to the front. Sounded like something let go. Oh, God. Something let go in there? Oh, yep. We broke the axle. Dang it. Let me go get an axle real quick. We'll get that fixed up and we'll get on the road, alright? So you see what happened there? Went to jump over myself. Was kind of nervous when I turned around. I didn't hit the jump right and didn't correct in the air like I was supposed to. Landed right flat down on the front and broke this drive shaft. I heard that thing let go. So I'm gonna go grab some tools and we'll just fix it right here, right now, real quick. Oh man. How come bad stuff only happens when you're trying to be cool on camera? If I didn't have the camera on right there, that would have been no problem. Wouldn't have broke nothing, everything would have been fine. Keep bashing on. Do it with my fingers? Wow, how about that? Never knew I could do that with my fingers. Okay. Let the caster block out, or steering block, whatever you call that, the hub. Okay, slide the pin out, clean it on your pants. Love these in the field fixes, don't ya? Alright. Yep, that's what happened. Well, that thing got smoked. Never broke one of those. Guess it's time to move up to the bigger ones on the new X-maxx. Here's the problem. I don't have any spares, but I got in my broken but still possibly usable bag of parts, and this is all I have. This one is bent. See if we can just straighten it enough just to get today's run out of the way. See if we can do it with just a small wrench here. Holy cow, that is some serious steel. There we go. Well, that's about as straight as I can get it. That's gonna have to do for today. Let's get our pin stuff. Oh no, it broke the pin too? Wow. Look at how that broke. That was a big time crash. Right through the meat. We'll go get another pin. We'll be back together in a jiff. Okay. Luckily we had a spare pin. Kind of makes me think, wow, that got tore up. Kind of makes me think I should do a video for you where I show like what extra parts to keep on hand. Because like today I don't have time to go to the hobby shop to buy parts, and time is valuable now, so I just try to keep spares of the parts that I break most often on hand. Just like this, I've got spares to get this fixed, kind of, minus this bent axle that we had to bend back to shape. It'll be alright. Just for today we'll get some new parts ordered. There we go. Good thing it didn't break other stuff, huh? There we go. Perfect. A-arm pin goes back in. Screw in. So this is kind of a ghetto fix out in the field while I'm running. I've got to work today and I don't really have time to take it inside, put it on the bench, and do a proper repair here. But I want to have some fun, so this is what we're doing. There we go. Put our wheel back on. We should be in business. There we go. Like nothing ever happened, kind of. Let's get back at it, huh? Radio's on. Give her a quick little test.